Just got done painting my little Zook. It's looking good, looking fly. Had some welding work done to it recently. Kind of haven't shown you guys anything for a while, so this is her. Runs on propane. Just put the twin sticks in. Awesome. Changing out that box to a new one. Changing out the steering wheel. Just bought a new one. Kill switch. Battery is going to be going up here in a box. That box right there. My welder guy had a little mishap when he was welding in these new bars here. So, burned a little hole in my seat. So I bought some brand new seats. Which these ones kind of look like junk anyway. So I bought someone identical to this but black. They're in my truck. So. This thing has this thing has 4 9-inch rear end on 35s. Turn this on for you. All digital gauges. All digital gauges. 6:5:1 crawl ratio T-case. Sitting in a ZOR cradle. You see it or not? Kinda. I have the 4 9-inch front end as well with Dana 44 knuckles. Taking it out for the first run at Frostbite at Kansas Rocks on February 24th. This turned out real nice, the radius. It was all bent to heck. I put synthetic winch line on it and a big blue hook. Well, that's kind of where I'm at with it right now. Next video we'll have it completely done. Well, as done as it's going to be for now. New seats and all that. And those are real beadlocks. Alright guys, well, have a good one. Hope you like it. Bye.